Hello, everyone. We are back with another Uno Tech Bite, and this time we are back in the chef's recipe book. And this time we'll be looking at how to add commands to controls that do not have a command property out of the box, right? And so the way we're achieving this actually is through the command extensions set of attached properties in Uno.Toolkit, which gives us two commands, two attached properties that you can place on your controls. One is the command property, and one is the command parameter property. So you can control both of those. So let's take a look at it in action. And so in Chefs right now, I'm on my login page. So I want to be able to put some sort of username. I want to go to the next field and I want to put some sort of password. And from here, I either click login, but from here, I should be able to hit enter on my password box and it should be able to fire off that login command and do it for me. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit enter and we actually do fire off the command and we properly get to the next page in Chefs. So if you want to take a look at some of the code for that, our login page is here, and this is our XAML. This is our password box here. And the only thing we have to do to get this to do any of that basically is to use the command extensions from the Uno Toolkit and set the command to the same exact command here, which is our login command that we're using in our view model. And that is the same exact command here that we're using on our login button, right? So there's no special command. There's no other special logic. You just point it both to the same command and it does the same thing no matter where you're coming from. Now, there are a few more places that you can actually use this command extensions attached properties. For example, one of them we have here is ItemsRepeater. So if you have a list of items in any way, it'll listen for you tapping on any of the items, whether that's in a list view, an ItemsRepeater, a navigation view, any of those types of scenarios where you have this notion of tapping or selecting a certain item. We do have the ability to actually provide a command to be fired in that sense. And so if you go to the command extensions page on our in the Uno Toolkit set of docs, you'll have a breakdown of all the places that you can fire off these commands and all the places where command parameter may or may not be implicitly set to the data context of whatever you're clicking on. And so that's all broken down for you here in this application. Go take a look at these docs, go see it in action in Chefs, and let us know what you think. So I hope you learned something, and I'll catch you in the next one.